Have you ever wondered why some people sound confident when speaking English every day, while others feel nervous, even saying hello?
What if I told you that the secret isn't about grammar or accent? It's about small, daily habits that build confidence little by little.
Yes, you don't need to be perfect to speak English. You just need to be consistent. Welcome back to Simple English Space. I'm Anna.
And I'm David. Today's topic is something every English learner needs: daily English speaking practice.
We're not just talking about learning words. We're talking about building confidence, improving fluency, and making English a part of your everyday life.
That's right. You don't need to study for hours or memorize thousands of words. You just need small, smart steps done every single day.
And we're going to show you exactly how to do that. Let's start with a simple truth. Small actions done daily are more powerful than big actions done once.
Exactly. Imagine brushing your teeth. You do it every day, right? If you only brush once a week, it doesn't work. The same goes for English speaking.
Daily speaking keeps your tongue active, your brain alert, and your confidence alive.
And the good news is you can practice anywhere. You can talk to yourself in front of the mirror, record short audios, or even speak while cooking or walking.
Yes, no classroom needed. You can make your daily life your speaking classroom.
Let's be honest. Many learners feel shy or afraid to speak English. They think, what if I make a mistake?
Yes, but here's the truth. Mistakes are not bad. They are proof that you're learning.
Imagine a child learning to walk. They fall many times, but they keep going. If they were afraid of falling, they'd never walk.
It's the same with English. Every time you speak, even with mistakes, you move forward.
And remember, people respect those who try. No one becomes fluent overnight.
So instead of thinking, I can't, say, I'm learning and I'm improving.
That's the mindset of a real English speaker.
Let's share some simple daily practices our listeners can start right away.
Sure. Tip number 1, speak to yourself in English. Describe what you're doing. For example, I'm making coffee. I'm getting ready for work.
Tip number 2, listen and repeat. When you watch an English video, repeat what the person says. It helps with pronunciation and rhythm.
Tip number 3, use a mirror. Look at your mouth, your facial expressions. It builds confidence.
Tip number 4, set one speaking goal each day. For example, today I'll ask one question in English, or today I'll introduce myself.
And tip number 5, don't be afraid to sound funny. Every accent tells a story. Yours shows courage and effort.
Beautifully said, David. Now, let's test our listeners with 5 important questions about daily English learning practice.
Great idea. And we'll answer each one with explanations so you can understand deeply. Question 1. How long should I practice speaking English every day?
Answer. You don't need hours. Even 10 to 15 minutes is enough if done consistently. The key is quality, not quantity. Speak naturally about real things, your day, feelings, or plans. Over time, these minutes built fluency faster than long, irregular sessions.
Question 2. What if I don't have anyone to talk to?
Great question. You can still practice. Talk to yourself, record your voice, or use AI chat tools to simulate conversations. Remember, practice is not only talking to others, but also training your thinking and speaking process in English.
Question 3. Should I focus on grammar or speaking first?
Answer. Focus on speaking first. Grammar will follow naturally. Children learn to talk before they learn grammar rules. So don't wait to be perfect. Speak now and refine later.
Question 4. How do I stop being nervous when I speak?
Answer. Nervousness is normal. Breathe deeply before speaking. Prepare simple sentences in your mind. Smile. Remember, you are learning, not performing. Confidence comes from repetition, not from waiting.
Question 5. How do I stay motivated to practice daily?
Answer. Find joy in small progress. Celebrate when you say a full sentence correctly. Watch English shows you love. Join online groups. Learning is easier when it feels fun. Don't compare your journey to others. Focus on being better than yesterday. David, I love what you said. Focus on being better than yesterday. That's the secret to daily progress.
Yes, every time you speak one more sentence, you're improving. Every word you say aloud makes you stronger.
Listeners, remember this. Consistency beats perfection. You don't need perfect grammar. You need daily courage.
Exactly. Let's be real. Some days you'll feel tired or lazy. That's okay. Just don't stop. Even 1 minute of speaking keeps your momentum alive.
Think of English like watering a plant. If you water it every day, it grows. If you forget for weeks, it wilts.
So, keep watering your English plant, friends.
Yes, every small word you speak is like sunlight for your fluency.
Let's pause for a second. Close your eyes and think. When was the last time you practiced speaking English?
Was it yesterday? Or maybe last week? If it wasn't today, this is your reminder. Speak something right after this episode.
You can say simple things like, I'm learning English. I'm doing great. That one sentence changes your mindset.
Words are powerful. What you say becomes your belief.
Yes, so speak positivity. Don't say, I'm bad at English. Say, I'm learning English every day.
Let's share some daily affirmations to repeat. I am confident when I speak English. Mistakes help me grow. I speak clearly and with joy. Every day I improve. I love learning
Beautiful. Say these sentences out loud every morning. They will shape your attitude and energy.
because success in speaking starts in the mind.
Absolutely.
Let's summarize what we've learned. 1. Practice every day, even 10 minutes. 2. Talk to yourself. It counts. 3. Don't fear mistakes. They're your teachers. 4. Stay consistent, not perfect. 5. Speak with confidence and joy.
And remember, the best way to learn English is to use English every day.
Now, let's test your understanding with the short quiz. Question 1. Daily practice helps you to A. Become perfect immediately, B. Build confidence and fluency. Answer B. Build confidence and fluency. Question 2. If you don't have a partner, what can you do? A. Stop practicing. B. Talk to yourself or record your voice. Answer B. Talk to yourself or record your voice. Question 3. Which is better for improvement? A. Consistency. B. Long study once a month. Answer A. Consistency. Question 4. What should you do when you make mistakes? A. Feel embarrassed. B. Learn from them and continue speaking. Answer B. Learn from them and continue speaking. Question 5. What's the best way to stay motivated? A. Compare yourself to others. B. Celebrate your small progress. Answer B. Celebrate your small progress. To everyone listening right now, you are already doing something amazing. You're learning, you're listening, and that means you care about your growth.
Don't let fear or doubt stop you. Keep moving forward, even slowly. Every word you speak is a victory.
Yes, so start today. Speak one sentence aloud, smile, and remember, you're not just learning English, you're learning confidence.
Exactly. Your journey is your success. Keep speaking every day, and one day you'll look back and realize you did it.
Thank you for joining us today on Simple English Base. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss other videos.
See you next time, and don't forget, practice your daily English.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.